Hello, everyone, and welcome to our live stream presentation on building your first sales funnel in 2025. I'm Tequila Berry, the lead digital marketer at AdBird, the largest digital marketing agency in Western Michigan. At AdBird, we're passionate about helping small businesses like yours grow online. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through creating your first sales funnel, a powerful tool to attract and convert customers. A sales funnel is the journey your customers take from discovering your business to making a purchase. It has 4 stages: awareness, where they learn about you; interest, where they want to know more; decision, where they consider buying; and action, where they buy. In 2025, AI and automation make these funnels even more effective by personalizing the customer experience. This presentation is tailored for small business owners from the Northwest, Washington, Montana, Oregon, Idaho, Wyoming, and Alaska, who've recently received grants from your local small business development centers. I know many of you are new to marketing, so I'll keep things clear and practical. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll explore why sales funnels matter, walk through a 10-step process to build one, and wrap up with time for your questions. Feel free to type questions in the chat as we go. Let's dive in. Why are sales funnels so important? They help you understand your customers' needs and guide them to buy, boosting your sales and revenue. For example, HubSpot reports that a well-designed landing page can convert up to 24% of visitors into leads. Blog Gain a Lift notes that offering more products through upselling or cross-selling can increase revenue by 10 to 30%. And Mark and Blog suggests aiming for a funnel conversion rate of 3.1% to 5%. These numbers show the potential impact of a sales funnel on your business. Let's now look at how to build one. The first step is to understand your customers, who they are and what they want. Use surveys with tools like Typeform to ask about their needs. Analyze website data with HubSpot or Mixpanel to see what pages they visit. Create buyer personas like Sarah, a 30-year-old who loves quick workouts for a fitness business. AI can group customers by behavior, like pages they view, for better targeting. For example, an accounting firm we worked with surveyed clients and learned they valued quick responses. By marketing their 24-hour turnaround, they attracted more clients. Take time to know your customers. It pays off. Next, set up analytics to track your funnel's performance. Google Analytics is a free tool to monitor traffic, page views, and sales. Set goals to track actions like form submissions. Hotjar shows how visitors interact with your site via heat maps. Track metrics like conversion rates, traffic sources, and average order value. Check analytics weekly to spot trends. This data helps you make informed decisions to improve your funnel. Now, let's capture your audience's attention at the top of the funnel. Create content like blogs or videos that solve customer problems. Engage on social media platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn. Run ads on Google Ads or Facebook ads using AI for precise targeting. Test different platforms to find what works. Our retail store we assisted found their audience on Instagram. By running targeted ads, they boosted online sales by 30% in 3 months. Experiment to discover what resonates with your customers. Once you have their attention, direct them to a landing page, a web page to collect information or make sales. Include a clear offer, a form for emails, a strong call to action like sign up now, and ensure it's mobile friendly. Tools like MailMunch simplify this. HubSpot says good landing pages can convert 24% of visitors. Keep load times under 2 seconds for best results. To get contact information, offer a lead magnet, a discount, guide, or checklist relevant to your customers. Use urgency, like limited time offer, to prompt action. Mail Munch reports urgency can boost conversions by 6 to 9%. For example, a restaurant might offer a free recipe book for emails. Keep it simple and valuable to entice signups. After capturing leads, nurture them to build trust. Share helpful content like tips or tutorials via email or social media. Use AI for personalized messages. Add chatbots with tools like Lindy for support. Host webinars to educate and showcase your offerings. Be helpful, not pushy, to foster long-term relationships. Email drip campaigns keep leads engaged with automated emails. Send a welcome email, then educational or promotional ones triggered by actions like website visits. Mail Munch is great for this. Send 1-2 emails weekly to stay connected without overwhelming. A restaurant client used recipes and discounts in their campaign, encouraging repeat visits. Ensure each email adds value. Post-purchase, maintain communication to build loyalty, send thank you emails, invite customers to a Facebook group, or share their stories online. Ask for feedback to improve. This turns one-time buyers into loyal customers, strengthening your brand. Increase revenue by upselling premium products, cross-selling related items, or downselling cheaper options. Salesforce uses AI for personalized offers. Blog Gain a Lift says these strategies can boost revenue by 10 to 30%. Personalized based on past purchases for best results. Finally, analyze and optimize your funnel. Check conversion rates and use A/B testing to try different page or email versions. AI tools like Copy.ai offer insights. Mark and Blog recommends aiming for 3.1% to 5% conversion rates. Make small changes and track results to improve performance. Let's recap the 10 steps. 1. Gather data and understand customers. 2. Set up analytics and tracking. 3. Capture audience attention. 4. Build a landing page. 5. Offer something valuable. 6. Nurture the prospect. 7. Create an email drip campaign. 8. Keep communication going. 9. Upsell, cross-sell, downsell. 10. Analyze and optimize. Using these steps in Department of Commerce for free support. Thank you for joining me. Let's move to Q&A. Now, let's answer your questions about sales funnels. Type them in the chat and I'll respond. If no more questions, thank you all for attending. Building a funnel is a journey. Start small and keep improving. Good luck, and I hope to see your businesses thrive.